Hey, are you thinking about working with the buttons on your homepage to make your page functional for students? I'm going to show you quickly if you're looking to simply allow your students to access EPIC via your homepage, how you could do that. Now, right now I'm on my homepage, and if I attempt to click, none of my buttons are linked to anything yet, and that's okay. I did add a Google Meet button to mine just in case the need for virtual meetings arises, but I'm going to take a look at getting an Epic button. So I'm going to pop over to this slide deck, and you have access to this slide deck with sample buttons. And I can simply click in and switch out the text. I'm going to take out the insert image here because I'm going to put my own one here, and I can type in Epic and leave it at that, or I can go into insert image, and I can search the web for an image that's suitable for Epic. I don't have to have a round button. I could simply have an image there. Let's move this out of the way for a moment, and let's type in Epic logo. We'll see what I get. That was a 0. Let's try again. Epic logo. Enter. All right, this one looks pretty good. So I'm going to bring it on over. Now, this is going to have a background on it. So you might want to do a search for a transparent background if you don't like having that white behind it. I'm just going to let it be. And now you can see I probably don't even need this word here, so I'm just going to get rid of it. Okay, so it's not the prettiest button in the world, but it is functional. Okay, then you'll do just like you did when you were adding things to your homepage in the past. You'll do a file download, make that a scalable vector graphic or SVG, and it's going to download the current slide. So just that Epic button. There's my pop-up telling me it downloaded, so let's take it back into my homepage. Now, although you can see I'm in my sandbox, you're going to want to do this right on your own homepage. No need to mess around in your sandbox. Let's put it right on your homepage. So I'm going to click the editing pencil right here. And I'm going to rename my homepage Mrs. Monago's class, because that was not a really good name for my homepage. Remember, I can use this 8-dot matrix to stretch out the editing window, the rich content editor window. And now I'm going to figure out where I want my cursor. I've got my cursor right there. I'm going to press enter, and notice it's still centered. So now I can either do insert on the menu, or I can find the little image icon, and I'm going to upload an image. I'll click the rocket, and it should be the very first one, so let's go ahead and grab it. There's Beavis and Butthead right there. Don't ask about that. And click open. There it is. Now remember, when you click submit, the button's going to be way larger than you need it to be. I'm going to get rid of my picture right now. That's enough for me. Way larger than it needs to be, so I'm going to click on it and go to image options. I can do a custom and make it small, or I can check the pixel sizes. I think my other images were 150 by 150. So if I do custom, I can go in and type 150, and the other is going to change to 150. I can also change the alt text. This is an accessibility feature right now that those words do not make sense. I'm going to change it to Epic. So get in the habit of doing that, working with accessibility, and then we'll click done. All right, actually that 150 by 150 worked out really nice. Looks the same as the others. So again, now this button, let's go ahead and scroll all the way down and save. That button's not going anywhere yet. Now let's review how to link that button. Again, I'm going to go into the edit mode, scroll down, and find that button, and I'll click it, and then I'm going to use my link icon over here. This time, I'm going to choose an external link. If I wanted it to go to a page in my course that I created, then I would choose course links. But I have not created a page for Epic yet, and maybe never will, so we'll do an external link. Now, I've actually brought up the tab here, getepic.com/students, which is what you want your students to see. You will have had to add your students to Epic before taking them there. So they see an icon with their name. I'm going to just click and Control C to copy, and let's take it back here. Control V to paste, click done, And now it glows a little bit, and that's an active link. And I'm gonna give it a save. Always check out things in that things work in student view. Remember, you have to be published to be in student view. I think I might have accidentally unpublished mine. All right, now I get the white pointy finger over Epic. I click, and there it's going to open up and take kids to that login screen for Epic. So I've just made a functional button on my homepage. That is enough for now. In the next video, I'll show you how you can link your buttons to go to a page or to anything within your course for that matter. Have a great day.